think the resolution cannot satisfy with your requirements? We present you 720p and 1080p. Do you want simple setup in your HD surveillance system? We offer you analog HD over a coaxial solution. Do you think a cost-effective and longer transmission is a dream? We enable over 700-meter transmission with lower cost. With real-time and anti-interference supported, the Dahua's in-house technology, HD CVI, features analog HD over coaxial cable transmission, allowing reliable long-distance HD transmission at a lower cost. HD CVI is the perfect solution for existing conventional standard definition system to upgrade to high definition. HD CVI offers video, audio and control signals in one cable, which better simplifies the cabling. Due to the fact that it is over coax transmitted, HD CVI could realize reliable long-distance and non-latent transmission compared to other analog HD over coaxial solutions. The transmission distance reaches 700 meters at 720p and 500 meters at 1080p. HD CVI provides easy upgrade to HD and requires no compression to make sure the original video quality and an outstanding real-time performance. HD CVI is the industry breakthrough technology that offers megapixel image quality over long-distance transmission while enjoying the simplicity of installation. Dahua's HD CVI portfolios include HD CVI DVR, HD CVI camera, as well as HD CVI PTZ camera. Meanwhile, HD CVI Academy is designed to be a platform for more updates on the technology, products models, case studies, SDK, and technical support.